Hello everybody, my name is Thibaut the Traveler, and welcome to my new video. For the past 6 months I lived on the Canary island Fuerteventura. I worked on the island, I traveled a lot around the island, and I went to almost every possible corner. In this video I'm going to show you the 5 best hidden spots of Fuerteventura. For clarity, this is my opinion and this is my top 5. Also, a few of these spots are touristic, but just not a lot of people know about them. So let's get straight into it. The first hidden spot of the top 5 is the Krabbenfelsen Lagoon. The Krabbenfelsen Lagoon is a beautiful natural pool made by the ocean, and you can only see it when it's low tide. It has clear water, you can swim in it, and it's probably one of the best looking natural pools of Fuerteventura. It is very easy to find, you can get there by car, and it's located in Caleta de Fuste. On the 4th place we have Playa, Agua, Liques. It's a very spectacular coastline where you can hike. It has cliffs with heights of 90 meters, red stones and weird looking stone formations caused by winds. My favorite hidden spot here is the Big Hole. It's very impressive and it's a cool picture spot. The beach is situated on the west side of Fuerteventura, south from La Parrot and west from Costa Calma. You can't get there with a normal car or a rental car, so you need to hike. On the number 3 we have Arco de las Peñitas. It's a very interesting place to visit. The weird looking stone formation was cooled by the nature millions of years ago. It's a well hidden spot located behind the Barranco de las Peñitas, and it's quite difficult to find because there's no easy path leading to it and most of the stones are loose. But it's more than worth it, and it's becoming a very popular picture spot. On the 2nd place we have the Volcano Lajares, or the Calderon Hondo. It's one of the best preserved volcanoes in Fuerteventura, and it has a crater that is 70 meters deep. It's situated in the north next to Lajares and Corralejo. It's not too hard to find and it's easy to climb, but once you reach the summit of 250 meters high, the view is very spectacular. On the number 1 is Rock del Morro. It's an amazing, big and weird looking stone that is hidden behind the mountains of Cofete. If you hike to reach the Rock del Morro, and the first moment when you see it, it's just breathtaking. Watch out, go when it's low tide, so you can easily walk to the rock. You will also find natural pools around it, but the ocean is very wild, so it's dangerous to swim there. Even when it's a giant rock, you won't easily see it, and the easiest way to get there is to walk south from the Cofete beach. So this was the top 5 hidden spots of Fuerteventura. It is a beautiful island, and if you love adventure and hiking, this is the island you should visit. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. See you next time.